Hello there. So in this lecture, we're going to go over support and resistance one more time. However, we're going to draw our support and resistance way back and see how they come in handy later on. So I've selected a chart here and let's go to our interactive charts. I'm going to maximize, choose candlesticks, get rid of the volumes, and now let's just move back. Okay, so we see here that sellers came into the market at 1, 2 in these 3 points and prices started to fall. So we can pretty quickly draw a resistance line at this level. We can also draw a support line here. Since we see that buyers came in, prices were going towards the support, buyers came in, pushed the prices upwards to our resistance, and the resistance was broken. Now while we're at it, let's try to take a screenshot. If you have Dropbox installed on your computer, you can just press the print screen button and a screenshot will be taken. You click on this, it'll open up the screenshot, and you could just forward this or post this onto our Q&A section, or you could send it to me and ask a couple of questions. Now let's move forward into this chart and see what's happening. So we have this region where prices are starting to move down and bounce off a support here. We can zoom in and see. Let's move forward. So prices bounced off again and they started to fall. So we have these two regions. We could draw a resistance line right there, and so we see a doji, almost a doji appearing towards the resistance line. We see a hammer, inverted hammer, towards the resistance line, which is indicating that the price should reverse and move downwards. We see a spinning top right there, and so the prices temporarily break above the resistance line but then start to fall, and they go down to our support level, shoot back up to the resistance, and now they're falling again. If this line fails to be a support and turns into a resistance, we would expect the prices to drop down further to our next level of support. And there we see it. Even though this level of support was made way earlier on, so let's move back. See, it is still valid at this point here. If we would get into the trade and buy around about 27.48, we could have exit the market at 30. So what do we see here? Prices shooting all the way up and trying to fall from this region. So we have a resistance at this level. Let's draw that. Again, price reached the resistance level and fell down, went up, broke it temporarily and shot back down. When prices fell dramatically, buyers stepped in and pushed the price upwards to close in the positive. So we see again here that our support at 30 is pretty strong. Push the prices way up again. The important point to understand, to take out from this, is that we always want to buy at a support level. Let's say prices are rising and you tend to purchase in this region or maybe at that region. That would be a very risky move since prices could just fall. And here we come to the end of the chart.